Your brother has given you money several times, but all of them wasted.
Every time.
Huh?
Every year give him money. Every year give him money.
Somebody padlock his destiny.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, guys, you can see this man here during the ministration in Zion Ministry. Evangelist Kobe located the man. According to this video, this man his destiny was padlocked by his enemy. Like everything he's put his hands is not going. So the brothers have been giving him money, helping him, but after giving him money to support what he's doing, the money will not yield any good fruit. So today God used Evangelist Kobe to locate this man, and guess what, he was delivered from this hand of evil people. So watch this video to the end, okay? If you're facing one or two things, or somebody has padlocked your destiny, as you're watching this video, just cue into this, that God is going to deliver you and do a new thing in your life, okay? Don't forget to subscribe if today is the first day you're coming across my channel. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.
Your brother has given you money several times, but all of them wasted.
Every time.
Huh?
Every year give him money. Every year give him money.
Somebody padlock his destiny.
Voila.
Nabia, I don't teach you. Ihe ji okorobịa, ihe ji gị ejeje alala, be set free. Dọtara m ya ebe a, agbụ ekere ngwere eruola ọtụtọ. Kpọtụ ya ebe a, eluigwe echetara gị. Oribacha, nothing is working at all. Tragedy has happened. The king that's supposed to be up was down. Medan, Aribashaka, Aribasokoto, freedom. Nowhere. Did she have a sister here? Did she have a sister? Jenu Judea. Allow the sisters. Allow the brother, sister. Jidenia, Dolitania. Uwanina mara wone bochim.
Yamerenti nangore. Uwanina mara wone bochim. Yamerenti nangore.
Bring him up. He's a great man, but nothing worked for him. Nothing. They have. He has been given some money, but everything wasted. Marabashakata. Happier. Every money you give him, we waste. Today, his yoke is broken. Hey, hold your hands together. Hold your hands. I command the yoke in this family to scatter. Now. Chenadobia. Happier. The chain is broken. Jesus.
Jesus.
Any hand holding the glory of this family is thereby scattered by fire. I release this family. Watch and see. There will be testimony. In the name of Jesus.
Jesus.
The matter is settled. You will bring them, give them prayer, especially him. Take them to their ship. No, I am more than cool. Everybody can be young. Sister, brother, come. Have I talked to you in any way before? Huh?
No, sir.
Your brother has given you money several times, but all of them wasted.
Every time.
Huh?
Every year give him money. Every year give him money.
Somebody padlock his destiny.
But I sent him abroad. All the money wasted.
Somebody padlock his destiny. But today, that key is unlocked.
Hey.